Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This video is about a tutorial I wrote on GitHub. The tutorial is about how I got started with Azure Cosmos DB and contains valuable information that I would have loved to have before starting. The tutorial is split up into 5 parts. Part 1 is a brief overview of the development environment and the tools I found most useful when working with Cosmos DB. In Part 2, I'll talk about the principles for how Cosmos DB is designed to give you practically unlimited scaling and the things you should be thinking about when designing your system. Part 3 covers basics for designing your data model and how it's affected by your scaling strategies. When we get to Part 4, it's time to start creating your Cosmos DB databases and how to structure the data containers in them. Part 5 covers the basic principles that apply to querying your data using the data model you designed in Part 3. It's a very short overview because I'll cover querying data in a future tutorial, so stay tuned. You find the link to the tutorial in the description below. So, why did I put the tutorial on GitHub and not a series of blog posts, for instance? Well, first of all, the tutorial contains source code, so GitHub is an obvious choice. Second, GitHub has pretty decent tools for creating documentation. And finally, you can fork the repository and create pull requests with your contribution or clone it to your private repository and modify the tutorial to your needs. So, I hope you find it useful. If you did, please consider subscribing and I'll see you in my next video. Have a nice day.